In my earlier video lecture, dear students, I had gone ahead and introduced to you the concept of rationalism. However, what exactly takes place in rationalism and what are the differences between rationalism and other schools of theory of knowledge is something that I need to highlight in this particular video lecture of mine to you. Now, here you will see that there is, we say that rationalism is another way of thinking. It is even called as a system of thinking. Rationalists present you a clear-cut system of thinking processes, and when you are going to study their works very carefully, you will see that yes, there are not just one system of thinking. For example, Cartesian is entirely a different system of thinking from Spinoza's, or even if you pick up Leibniz, so you will see that rationalists have got their own style, and the followers of those schools begin and then they are thinking on those lines. Then you can see that yes, it is more abstract in nature rather than sensory. You cannot pinpoint it and say, okay, here, see, this is rationalism. No, you will have to understand at the higher levels only. Then here you will see that yes, they have pointed out some ways to know about something. Now, how do you understand that? Now, earlier we have seen that empirical school tells you that we know something exclusively through sense data. Now, I know that if I have to understand what is Prayag and what is the Sangam of the three rivers at Allahabad, obviously I will have to go there. Theoretically, okay, people have said three rivers are there. One is black in color, the other river is purely white, the third one is something grayish, and when three of them mingle up together, it is called as a Sangam. However, do I really understand at that point that yes, this is what I'm trying to know about the Sangam? Or do I really literally, I felt when I visited Allahabad, trust me on this, I was very curious to know, I have heard till date, however, let me see through my eyes as to what exactly it is. No, that is what we call it as empirical studies out there. Then comes primacy of reason, theoretical. It's purely theoretical, wherein we are just talking about reason, and we say, okay, this is how I reason out. For example, in court cases, when certain things are taking place, I am unable to see on the spot of the murder or the killing, or why two people don't mingle up properly, or they have problems in staying together. Now, sometimes I can understand it, however, in order to back up, I need certain things. And how do I get it? Definitely, yes, there are various ways in which I can apply those theoretical knowledge and come up and say, okay, see, this is what I have got the supported material, and this one supports me. So this is how it has taken place. Now, now if you look at the way Sherlock Holmes or Poirot, or you can pick up with Agatha Christie's other books, or some mystical or even murder stories, you will see, or even I would like to say crime branch series, you will be able to understand that yes, primarily they are using reasoning status in order to prove those cases. Okay, then system of thinking, which is nothing but the abstractive knowledge. So sometimes they say that okay, this is the system of knowledge that we have got and you need to understand it. So you will see that rationalist, when we are talking about, either accept one of them, or in combination of 1 2, it can be 1 and 2, 2 and 3, or 1 and 3, or a combination of all three of them. It can be anything. However, they say that there is importance for all three of them, and we are going to give them the equal importance to this. So this is how rationalists argue, and they proceed further with their theories of knowledge. So I'm going to end here, and in my next video lecture we will study more about rationalism and how exactly they proceed further on theory of justification. I hope you are enjoying these video lectures till then. Thank you and take care. Bye.